The federal court is expected to deliver its verdict today in the case of that Tamil family trying to stay in Australia. Andrea Crothers is at the court in Melbourne. Andrea, the family were given 24 hours yesterday. They've got until 4 o'clock today. When are we expected to hear the verdict?
Well, the judge did say he will deliver a verdict, or is expected to deliver a verdict today, Chris. Now, we have seen very much a change of tact by the family's lawyers as they desperately search for a legal loophole to end this deportation drama. Now, Priya and Adez arrived by boat from Sri Lanka in 2012 and 2013. They then had two Australian-born daughters here, Kapika and Tarenika. Now, under the Migration Act, anyone who arrives by boat cannot make a visa application that extends to their children despite being born on Australian soil. Now, the Minister does have the power to lift the bar, per se, and allow a visa application to be made. Now, the family's lawyers are arguing that this bar was already lifted when Priya made an application in between July and August 2017. They also claim that this bar was never automatically lowered despite Priya's refugee status claim being ultimately rejected, and therefore it's left the legal door open for Tarenika to now make her own visa application. They also insist that she can't be deported from Australia until that application is assessed. Now, lawyers representing the government accept that this bar was lifted back then, but they also say that if any child wanted to make an application, it should have been made back then, that opportunity has passed. They also claim that this latest argument lacks merit. Now, Peter Dutton was questioned on this morning. Take a listen to him.
Well, it could go to a higher court. That's right, Ray. So it's infuriating in many ways, and particularly because I'm conscious of how much money the Australian taxpayer pays toward cases like this, and people work hard for their money. So I'm trying to do it as efficiently as we can, but we have the reality of many of the advocates who are doing pro bono legal work for people in this situation, and their delay is a tactic. That's it. They try and ramp up pressure.
So as you hear from Home Affairs Minister Peter Dutton, this may be far from over. Now, the family has obviously had 5 injunctions leading up to this point, and they are desperately awaiting a decision from Christmas Island. Chris?